Ever wondered how the rich manage to pay zero taxes? Are they cheating the system or simply smarter about it? It's a question that's crossed many minds. The truth is, it's not about evading taxes illegally, it's about understanding the system and leveraging it to your advantage. Taxes are a complex puzzle, and it's easy to assume that the wealthy are just gaming the system. But that's a common misconception. The rich aren't necessarily cheating the system, they're just better at solving the tax puzzle. They've learned how to navigate the labyrinth of laws, finding legal and ethical strategies to lessen their tax burden. But here's the kicker. These strategies aren't a secret. They're just not widely known or understood. Anyone can use these methods. It's not about having a mountain of wealth, it's about having the right knowledge. So if it's not about cheating, what's the secret then? Let's demystify this together. The first key to understanding how the rich pay zero taxes is to understand how taxes work. Now let's dive into the basics. In essence, the tax system is a mechanism through which the government collects revenue from individuals and businesses. The amount you're taxed largely depends on your income, but here's the catch. Not all income is created equal. There are two main types: earned income and passive income. Earned income is what you receive from working a job or running a business. It's your salary, your wages. Passive income, on the other hand, is income generated from investments, such as rental properties or stocks. The rich often have the bulk of their income coming from these passive sources, and guess what? Passive income is usually taxed at a lower rate than earned income. That's one big reason why the wealthy aren't handing over as much to the taxman. So, the type of income matters, but what else influences the amount of taxes one has to pay? The magic word here is deductions. Now let's demystify this term. Tax deductions are expenses that you can subtract from your taxable income. Essentially, these are special expenditures that the government allows you to take off your gross income in order to calculate your liability. The rich, they're masters at leveraging these deductions. They have business expenses, think office supplies, travel costs, even salaries and benefits. Then we have real estate deductions where mortgage interest, property taxes, and certain home improvements can be written off. Charitable donations? Yes, you guessed it. Another deduction. When the rich donate to charities, they're not just being philanthropic, they're reducing their taxable income. These deductions can significantly lower your taxable income, reducing the amount you owe at the end of the year. Remember, the goal isn't to evade taxes, but to use the tax laws to your advantage. So what's the bottom line here? We've delved into the depths of the tax system, unraveling its complexities and revealing its secrets. It's clear that understanding this system is the first step towards making it work for you. The rich have mastered this. They know the difference between earned and passive income, and they lean heavily on the latter. Why? Because it's often taxed at a much lower rate. But it's not just about the type of income, it's also about the power of deductions. Knowing what you can legally deduct can significantly reduce your taxable income. And let's not forget the importance of proper tax planning. A well-thought-out tax strategy can make a world of difference. It's about being proactive, not reactive. And sometimes the best course of action is to seek professional advice. Remember, the rich don't cheat the tax system, they simply understand it. And now, so do you.